Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all of my subscribers and all of you guys who are supporting my channel. We recently surpassed 100 subscribers, and I just want to show you guys that it means a lot to me, and thank you guys. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe because more content is coming up. Sorry for taking too long to upload another video after that file-based authentication video in our M-Pesa series. It will be going on soon, but for now let me help you guys implement M-Pesa to our Flutter plugin. So we all know what M-Pesa is. Not we all know, people from Kenya and around East Africa, what M-Pesa is. And M-Pesa is a mobile money transfer service with Safaricom. M-Pesa is a mobile phone based money transfer financing, the microfinancing service launched in 2007 by Vodafone for Safaricom and Vodacom, the largest mobile network operators in Kenya and Tanzania. So here it is guys, mostly if you're in East Africa, this video is for you. If you're a developer trying to implement M-Pesa payment to your Flutter app, this is the video for you. So all this will be made possible using this nice package made by Keronai Lincoln. Big ups to him, he did a very nice work here. And so guys, let's get started. Getting started, in the first thing, we have to create an account of the Safaricom developer portal. I already have an account there. Let me just log in. I have a Flutter M-Pesa app. Let me just delete the app and let's create a new app from scratch. Add a new app. Let me call it Flutter M-Pesa plugin. Let's use Lipa M-Pesa sandbox, Lipa M-Pesa, and M-Pesa sandbox. Pay bill. So the only things you need here is the consumer key and the consumer secret. Back to our instructions. In the main function before running the app, you have to set the consumer key and the consumer secret. So let's just copy these two lines of code. Let's copy these two lines of code and come back to our app. I already have an app created, so I'm just gonna clear everything. The home be the home. I'll create a new class called home. In our main app, okay, let's do this. Let's change this main to be in curly braces format. Back to our browser, copy that, paste it there. Set the consumer key should be put here in string format, and yeah, go back to our browser in the Safaricom developer portal. In your app, copy the consumer key, paste it there, copy the consumer secret, paste it there as instructed, and let's create a new home class. Let's call it home, which will be a stateful widget, which will be able to return a scaffold whose body is a center widget, whose child is a material button. On pressed, then press property. Let's just put an empty method. We'll implement it shortly. Child should be a text which says pay now. Okay, so you can constantly set this with it. Okay, it's okay, it's fine. Here we'll have to declare a few variables first. Let's call up the first variable the number, the number of the user, variable number, which equals to a text editing controller. You'll get my logic in a short while. Let's create a a method called start checkout. Which returns nothing. A feature method which returns nothing. Let's call it start checkout, which is asynchronous. Let me comment. Okay, in our method, let's define our first variable, which is of type dynamic. Which is of type dynamic. That's how it is. And let's try, just to avoid the errors, try catch. No. Okay, guys, this method and this variables that we started need to be in the home class, not in the material app. So guys, sorry for that. Yeah. Sorry for that, guys. Go to your home and inside the state class, paste it there. Okay, so that guys, you can go on with it. In our try, let's initialize the transaction initialization, which equals, and in your, before I go on, let me just show you guys. Let me exit the presentation mode. You need to have imported the M-Pesa Flutter plugin in your pubspec.yaml and imported the M-Pesa Flutter plugin in your Flutter app. I think that's easy for you guys. Let's go back to our presentation mode. Transaction initializations equals await M-Pesa Flutter plugin dot initialize SDK push. Okay, I have to use code. I'll explain each and every parameter here, what it means. Okay, let's go back to our browser. In our plugin page in pub.dev, the business shortcode or and part B, which you can apply from the developer portal mentioned in credentials. Alternatively, use 174.379. This you'll use this if you have the official pay bill, approved pay bill, or till now, you'll get all these credentials. But all these credentials here are just for test purposes. We'll have to use the business shortcode. We'll have to use 174.379 for test purposes. Let's copy that. The business shortcode should be okay. There it is. Transaction type. So the transaction type, guys, will have to say customer pay bill online. Yeah. customer pay bill online. That is the amount. In our start checkout method, we'll have to include a few parameters: the phone number, the phone number of the user, and the amount. Okay guys, so the amount should be the amount, but since it's in string format and we need it's in int format, let's just change it to string so that we avoid this error. Okay, let's just be int. Let's convert this int to double because it's of double type. Okay, it will be double.parse. Yeah, let's change this amount to string. Okay, the party A. The party A should be the user phone. The party B should be self-defined as the business shortcode. Should be 174 in string format. 174.379. The callback URL, this is the URL where your results will be posted to you, the transaction details. So let's just use the Safaricom website, but you'll need to have your own website or your own link where you want your result to be posted to you. So just use the Safaricom. Sandbox.safaricom.com .co.ke. It is, and since it's in string format, let's convert it to your URL. That is the country reference. Let's just call it Flutter Mpesa. Short description: Flutter Mpesa tutorial. The phone number should be the user phone. The base URI should be the, let's check those. They have not described, but let's look at the transaction detail. The base URI should be the sandbox base URI. Okay guys, yeah, all this for test purposes. You can be more creative with it, and you'll see what you can do with it once you are in you already have the pay bill and those other credentials. That is, and the passkey. The passkey, you'll also have a passkey once you have the official pay bill, but for test purposes we'll have to use this defined here by Lincoln. Let's explain this just for test purposes. Let's just copy. Okay, that is no. That is bam. After finishing the transaction process, let's just print the results, transaction, let's connect it to string. One of the best things I love about Android Studio is the presentation mode. It is nice. After printing that, let's just return the transaction initialization. And let's catch the error. Catch, print, section. String concatenation. Guys, I think you're ready. And once the material button is pressed, let's show a dialog. Okay, let's not show a dialog, but let's just start the checkout. Phone number, user phone. I'll be using my phone number, so it will be in this format: 254797. And the amount. Let me put 1 shilling. All this should be in string format. That's basically it, guys. So let's test the app and let's see if it works correctly. So guys, we failed to include the transaction description as defined in the package. It is a required parameter. So the transaction description, I'm just going to write purchase because it is of type string, and yeah, it is required for the transaction to go on without returning an exception. So that's it, guys. Thank you for viewing this video. If you feel that this video has helped you, please subscribe, share it with your friends so that you can also help them, and please subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And okay guys, cheers, bye. Let's meet in the next video. Next video I'll be touching something on Flutter for web, and yeah, I hope you'll be excited, guys. So thank you. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. It will help them. Peace out.